Welcome, seminary teachers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark attendance in WISE. First, you're going to want to log in using your church username at wise.churchofjesuschrist.org. When you do this, this is going to take you into the default screen, which is going to be the attendance tab of your class. So here I have my test student set up so that I can show you how to mark attendance. The first thing that you want to check on this screen is to make sure that you are in the correct week. And there's a couple different ways that you can mark attendance. First, if you come up to this button right here and click on it, this is a radio button menu, and you can select any of the attendance options: absent, present, made up absent, tardy, and made up tardy. And by selecting one of this will make that everything that you select from this point on will default to the option that you chose. So this is a really quick way to mark everyone present, to mark everyone absent. You can also go in individually by the day, hover over the button, and right click. And again, this radio menu is going to appear, and you can select whichever option you would like for that individual day for that individual student. The third way that you can mark attendance is to actually select a student, click on their name, and it's going to bring you to this calendar of their entire term. And this is a quick way for you to be able to do something like enter makeup work, for example. By selecting a day, you're going to see these options appear again, and you can change them pretty quickly for just that one student. When I select this, you're also going to see one of the options is this Add Notes feature. Here, this is really convenient for you to be able to make notation, for example, perhaps putting in exactly how late a student was if you were going to mark them tardy. Or you might also want to put in perhaps what the lesson for that day was. And this is really convenient because this saves to my seminary, so the students and the parents will be able to access the information that you enter under this note feature. You can also add notes right here with this little document icon. After you've entered the attendance for a day, this option is going to appear, and it's the same as what I just showed you, and you can enter those notes in that location as well. You can also enter attendance in the My Seminary app, and I'll make another video about how to do that later, but this one is just about how to enter attendance into WISE. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much.